Okay, guys, this is all the ingredients you will need for the best chicken salad. You will need some type of chicken breast. You can either do it yourself or you can use rotisserie chicken. You can even use canned chicken. I don't prefer canned chicken, but you can use canned chicken. It tastes fine. You're going to need eggs, celery, sweet pickle relish, mayonnaise, seasoned salt, and a little paprika for the garnish. I just want to show y'all here. I got the couple of the chicken breast on. I'm getting ready to boil those. And y'all, these are just the little thin cutlets. See, this enough for me and my daughter, to have a chicken salad, on. You can boil the regular chicken breast or whatever. I just wanted to kind of show y'all. And I actually throw celery over in the pot because for some reason I just like the flavor that the celery adds to the chicken while it's boiling. Okay, I'm getting ready to assemble the chicken salad. And what I'm going to do is just remove the breast from boiling water. And all you're going to do is just take a fork and shred your chicken, guys. And just shred it. You don't want big chunks of chicken. So what you're going to try to do is shred it down to this size. You don't want chunks like this. Okay? Now I'll shred this up and I'll come back. Okay, guys, I've managed to shred up all the chicken. And there it is. While I was doing that, I also kind of just diced up my celery. And it all depends on how much you're making. As you can see, I'm not making very much, so this is enough celery. And you want to kind of dice it this size. You don't, want it much. You don't want chunks of celery in your chicken salad. Much similar to how. Now, I normally like salad cubes for chicken because chicken is hardier than tuna. But they didn't have it, so I'm using relish. So the size of the celery is more like the salad cubes. But, because the relish is a little bit more finer. So you're going to take and put some pickle relish down in there. And alternatively, if you don't like sweet relish, you can use dill. I prefer sweet. I'm just kind of eyeballing what my daughter and I like. You're going to put the celery down in it. Look, I can't leave no celery behind. You're going to put a little seasoned salt. You don't want it to be salty. And you can alternate, if you're not eating anything with salt in it, you can use Mrs. Dash or what have you. And you're going to put mayonnaise. I'm being liberal with the mayonnaise because you got to keep in mind there's some boiled eggs still. And I don't know if I told y'all, the eggs have to be boiled. Just in case people didn't kind of presume that themselves. But you're going to mix this up pretty good. And as you can see, it's still a little loose because I put enough mayonnaise in it. You put the eggs in last, y'all, with chicken salad because you kind of want them to have you don't want them all mushed up, basically. So you're only going to fold these in. I'm chopping them up right now. If you can just want to see here, I'm chopping up the eggs. Let me try to adjust you here so you can see. I'm chopping the eggs now. And it's 2 boiled eggs I'm putting in this. But like I said, you're going to adjust it to the amount that you are fixing. You don't want these chopped up really fine because like I said, chicken is a lot more. I chop these a lot more finer with tuna salad, but the chicken is a lot more heartier, so you kind of want to see the egg and stuff in there. And you put the eggs down in. And what you're going to do is just fold the eggs. Fold. 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 And this is basically what your tuna salad should look once it's all mixed. Okay, guys, this is what we have here with it mixed. Let me taste a little bit of it just to make sure. It has enough seasoning, and it does. So, what you're gonna do? Paprika, make everything look pretty. You're gonna garnish with some paprika. This is the best chicken salad, y'all. Make it and let me know how you like it. Enjoy. I'll come back and show you how I serve it with the chicken biscuit crackers, or you can use any crackers of your liking. There you have it, guys. This is lunch for me. I like it chilled, but I can't wait. So I got me a little serving and some nice chicken and biscuit crackers to go with it. I hope you enjoy it when you try this recipe. Remember that I love you. God loves you the most. Always be kind to yourself and others. Be joyful and be blessed. Love you. Bye.